Hi everyone, how are you? Today we discuss about KSET 2020 paper part 6. Now explain question number 26. So question number 26. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by root 2x plus 4 minus 2 is equal to. So limit x tends to 0. So put x place in 0. This is a 0 by 0 form. So let us do rationalization. Tan x by root 2x plus 4 minus 2. So divide multiplied by root 2x plus 4 plus 2. So limit x tends to 0. Tan x into root 2x plus 4 plus 2. In the denominator, in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So what we get, where a place in root 2x plus 4, b place in 2 there. So a square minus b square, root 2x plus 4 whole square minus 2 square. Square root get cancelled. So limit x tends to 0. Tan x into root 2x plus 4 plus 2. So denominator value is 2x plus 4. So minus 2 square value minus 4. 4 get cancelled. We have limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. In this tan x by x place in write 1. So 1 by 2 constant. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. This value 1. And remaining put x place in 0. 2 into 0 plus 4 plus 2. So this is nothing but root 4 plus 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 value 1. 2 plus 2 value 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 value is 2. So first option correct. Let us see next problem. F of x is equal to 1 minus cos x by x sin x if x not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, f of x value 1 by 2 given. This function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then the value of k. In the statement f of x is continuous given at x is equal to 0. So according to continuous definition, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Limit x tends to 0, where f of x value 1 minus cos kx by x sin x. 1 minus cos kx by x sin x. F of 0 value given 1 by 2. So 1 divide x and multiplied x. 1 x divided and multiplied. So sin x by x. Sin x by x value 1. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is equal to 1. So this value will be 1. Next, limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos kx by x. This is also k square by 2. This formula. These two formulae most important. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos kx by x square. X square. This value k square by 2. In this limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos kx by x square. This value k square by 2 into sin x by x value 1. Therefore, k square by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So both sides 2 get cancelled in denominator. K square is equal to 1. K is equal to, we got plus or minus 1. Fourth option correct. So let us see question number 28. The feasible region of an LPP is shown in the figure If z is equal to 11x plus 7y, then the maximum value of z occurs at. The maximum value of z occurs at. First, second, third, fourth options are given. One diagram also given in statement. In the statement, this is the required feasible region. This feasible region, corner points are, let us take A, B, C. Where A is the point of intersection of y-axis and first line. This is the, let us take first line, this is the second line. So x plus 2y is equal to 5. This line passing through the point A. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. If x is equal to 0, then find out y value from first equation. So y is equal to 5. And second one, B. Second point B, this B lies on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. If x is 0, y value from second equation, y value 3y is equal to 9, y is equal to 3. This point is 0, 3. Next, third corner point is C. What is C? Point of intersection of these two lines. Now we have to find point of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5. This is given in diagram. Equation 2, x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is second equation. So by elimination method, we have to find x value, x and y values. So do subtraction. This is minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Now we get y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, from first equation, what is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 5. So we should take any line. So if x is equal to, if y is equal to 2, then find out x value. X is equal to 3. This point is 3, 2. This third point is, third corner point is 3, 2. So now our target, what is the required? Maximum value of z. Maximum value of z at the point. Point is required. This is the corner points. Z is equal to 11x plus 7y. So what are corner points? A 0, 5, B 0, 3 and C 3, 2. At 0, 5, find out z value. Z is equal to, on xy place in 0, 5 substitute. So 11 into 0 plus 7 into 5, this is equal to 35. Next second point, at 0, 3, now we have to find z value. So 11 into 0 plus 7 into 3, this will be equal, this will be 21. Next, at 3, 2, now we have to find z. So 11 into 3 and 7 into 2, 14 plus 33. 14 plus 33, this is equal to 47. In this maximum value 47. Maximum value 47, but what is given state, what is required? Maximum value of z at the point. So at the point option is C 3, 2 option correct. So 3, 2 option, first option is correct. Therefore, the required is maximum of z at 3, 2 is 47. In this maximum value is 47 at the point C. So option 1 correct. So let us see next problem. The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constants in the family of curves. So is C1y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e to the power x plus C4. So our target is, what is required? Order of the differential equation. Now C1y, what is the given curve? C1y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e to the power x plus C4. So y is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e to the power x into e to the power c4. So c1, c2, c3, c4 are constants. So let us take c2 plus c3 by c1 into e to the power c4 is equal to constant a. c1 plus c2 plus c3 by c1 into e to the power c4. Let us take capital A. So y is equal to a e to the power x. Therefore y is equal to a e to the power x. In this, how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one arbitrary constant is there. So order is equal to 1. Therefore order is equal to 1. This is the direct process. According to process, now I explain. In this, one arbitrary constant is there. So let us do derivative on both sides. One time derivative. So derivative of y, we get y1 or dy by dx. y1 is equal to a constant. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. So divide equation 1 and 2. So y is equal to a e to the power x. y1 is equal to a e to the power x. So divide these two equations. A e to the power x get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to y1. So y is equal to y1. This is the differential equation. What is the differential equation definition? An equation involving derivatives. So y is equal to y1 is differential equation. In this order is equal to first order differential equation. Degree also 1. So degree is no need. Order is equal to 1. First option correct. So what is the degree? What is the order? Highest derivative of differential equation is called order. Power of highest derivative. So power of highest derivative is also 1. This degree is equal to 1. Power of highest derivative is degree. Highest derivative is order. So order degree is equal to 1, 1. Next problem. The general solution of the differential equation. X square dy minus 2x by dx is equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx. X square dy, what is given? 2x by dx is equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx. This is a linear differential equation for first order and first degree linear differential equation. So first divide dx on both sides. So one dx on both sides first of all. So x square dy by dx minus 2xy is equal to x to the power 4 cos x. And dy by dx coefficient is x square. So divide x square also on both sides. Minus 2xy by x square is equal to x to the power 4 cos x by x square. Since divide x square on both sides. So one x get cancelled. This is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So on comparing the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q of x, q, where p is equal to minus 2 by x and q is equal right side value. So one x square also get cancelled. Therefore p is equal to minus 2 by x and q is equal to x square cos x. So what is the formula? General solution formula is y into integral factor is equal to integral q into integral factor into dx. Where integral factor, one formula we have integral factor formula e to the power integral p dx. IF means integral factor. This formula is e to the power integral p dx. So e to the power integral p. In this p value minus 2 by x. So minus 2 by x dx. This is nothing but e to the power minus 2 into 1 by x. Integral 1 by x value, we get log x formula. This is equal to e to the power minus 2 log x. So minus 2 log x is nothing but log x to the power minus 2. So this is nothing but x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by x square. A power log m base a is equal to m. So this formula used in this one, in this place. E to the power log x to the power minus 2 base c, this is nothing but x to the power minus 2 according to this formula. A to the power log m base a is equal to m. E to the power log x to the power minus 2 base c is equal to x to the power minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by x square. Now, so y into integral factor we got 1 by x square is equal to q, where q value x square cos x. Q value x square cos x into integral factor we got 1 by x square. So x square, on x square get cancelled. Integral cos x value sin x plus c. So y by x square is equal to sin x plus c. Therefore y is equal to, let us do cross product. Y by x square is equal to sin x plus c. Y is equal to x square sin x plus x square into c, cx square. So which option is correct? X square sin x plus cx square. So option 1 correct. So let us take question number 31. If the matrix 3 1 2 1 3 2 into A is equal to 1 0 0 1, then the matrix A is. This type of problems by using verification method. So let us take first option. Option 1. So where A place in option 1 substitute. So where A is equal to 2 1 3 2. Then, so what is the given condition? This is the given condition. 2 1 3 2 into, where A place in right this 2 1 3 2. After multiplication, this is not equal to 1 0 0 1. According to matrix multiplication method, first row multiply with the first column. 2 2 is 4, 1 plus 3, this is 7. But this is not equal to unit matrix. Now let us take option 2. What is the option 2? A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 comma 2. Then this is the given condition. 2 1 3 2 into, where A matrix place in right this matrix. 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So let us do simplification. First row multiply with first column. 2 2 is 4 minus 3 1 into minus 3 1. First row multiply with the first column. That is the first element. 2 2 is 4 1 into minus 3 minus 3. This total value 1. And first row multiply with the second column. 2 minus 1 is minus 2. 1 into 2 2. This will be 0. And the second row multiply with first column. 3 2 is 6 and 2 minus 3 is minus 6. This will be 0. 3 minus 1 is minus 3. 2 2 is 4. This will be 1. So unit matrix this is. If option 2, if A is equal 2 minus 1 minus 3 2, this condition is satisfied. So option 2 correct. I am going to explain question number 32. F of x value det of 3 by 3 given. F of 1, F of 2, F of 0, F of minus 1. This kind of problems. So by using verification method. So option 1. F of 1 is 0. So f of 1, but f of x value, from statement f of x value given, put x place in 1. Put x is equal to 1 in f of x. Therefore f of 1 is equal to, x place in 1 substitute this value, 1 minus 1 0, a, x place in 1, a plus 1, b plus 1, 1 minus a, 0, c plus 1, 1 minus b, 1 minus c, 0. So after simplification, this value is 0 into anything 0. This is not equal to 0. Put x is equal, second option, option 1 this is. Now let us take option 2. Now put x is equal in option 2, f of 2 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 2. F of 2. Put x place in 2 in this equation. 2q minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 value 6. A plus 2. B plus 2. And 2 minus A. 4 minus 2, 2. C plus 2. 2 minus B. 2 minus C, 0. This is also not equal to 0. Now let us take option 3. Put x is equal to 3. Sorry, put x is equal to 0. In option 3, f of 0 is there. Put x is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal to x plus in 0, substitute 0. This is a plus 0, a, b, minus a, 0, c, minus b, minus c, 0. This is the skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix, data of skew symmetric matrix is 0. Otherwise, expand this data 0 into anything 0 minus a into this is 0 plus bc plus b into plus ac. So minus ab bc plus abc is equal to 0. So option 3 correct. So we know that data of 3 by 3 matrix form. After simplification, this value will be 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0. Option 3 is correct. Let us see next problem. Question number 33. If A and B are two square matrices of same order and B is the skew symmetric matrix, then A dash BA is symmetric, null matrix, diagonal matrix, skew symmetric options are given. So now explain what is given. A dash BA. So let us take x is equal to A dash BA. So what is A dash? A dash is the transpose of A. Now taking transpose on both sides. Now x transpose is equal to A dash BA whole transpose. We have ABC whole dash is equal to C dash into B dash into A dash. ABC whole dash is equal to C dash into B dash into A dash. So according to that formula, right, where ABC place in A dash B A are there. So write according to, by using that formula, A dash B dash and A dash whole dash. But double transpose A dash whole dash is equal to A. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. So X transpose is equal to A dash B dash A. But in statement B is the skew symmetric matrix is given. So B is skew symmetric matrix, it means B transpose is equal to minus B. B transpose is equal to minus B. So X transpose is equal to A dash. This B dash place in right minus B into A. This is nothing but minus A dash BA. So minus A dash BA. So minus A dash BA is nothing but minus X. So A dash BA place in right X. Therefore minus A dash BA is nothing but minus X. Therefore X transpose is equal to minus X. Therefore X is, this is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. Therefore X is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So fourth option correct. So let us see next problem. If A is square matrix of order 3 and data of A is equal to 5 given, then we have to find data of A into adjoint A. Data of A into adjoint A. So A into adjoint A, we know that det A into I. A into adjoint A is equal to det A into I. This is important theorem also. So det A into I. But in statement det A value given 5. So det of 5 into I. So det of Ka. We have det of Ka is equal to k to the power n into det A. K to the power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. Order of A. Where n is order of the matrix. In this order is equal to 3 given. So n is equal to 3 given. So by using this formula, according to this form, det of Ka is equal to k to the power n into det A. So det of 5 into I, where I for unit matrix. So 5 to the power n into det I. This is nothing but 5, where n place and write 3. Det of I, det of unit matrix. So det of unit matrix is equal to 1. So det of unit matrix is equal to 1. So we should take 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Any unit matrix that is 1. So 5 cube into 1, this is nothing but 125. So for second option correct. Next I am going to explain question number 35. So A is 3 by 3 matrix is given. Then find out A to the power 4. So first, let us take given matrix A equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. First we have to find A square value. A square means A into A. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. After product this value, first row multiply with first column, this is 1. First row, second column, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but unit matrix. A square is equal to, we got unit matrix, but what is required? A to the power 4. So squaring A to the power 4 is equal to, this is required. A to the power 4 can be written as A square into A square. So on A square place we should write I into I. So I into I is nothing but I square is also I. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. So let us see question number 36. If A having 3 elements, find the number of binary operations in A. We have one formula. Number of A is equal to n. If A having n elements, then the number of binary operations is equal to n to the power n square. From the statement A having how many elements are given? 3 elements are given, 3. So this would be, where n place and write 3 square. This is equal to 3 to the power 9. Option 4 correct. Number 37. In the statement A having 6 elements given, then the number of subsets of A which contains at least 2 elements. So let us take n is equal to number of A is equal to, so number of A equal to 6 given. So what is required? The number of subsets of A which contains at least 2 elements. So this is nothing but the total number of subsets minus the number of subsets of A which contains so at least 2 elements means total minus less than 2 numbers. Less than 2 numbers or less than 2 elements. Less than 2 elements. the total number of subsets. The total number of subsets formula is 2 to the power n is nothing but the number of power set of A minus the number of subsets of which contains at least less than 2 numbers. Since A is equal to how many subsets are there less than 2 numbers? Singleton sets. Singleton sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and empty set. Empty set. Therefore, number of A is equal to 7. So minus 7. Where n value 6. This is equal to 2 power 6 minus 7. 64 minus 7. That is equal to 57. Option 3 correct. Question number 38. So f is mapping from closed interval 2 to infinity tends to R. Be the function and f of x value given x square minus 4x plus 5. Then find the range of f. So given f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So this can be written as x whole square 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 1. Complete square method. So from first 3 values can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus 1. We know that x minus 2 whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. But in this statement plus 1 is there. Adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. Now we get x minus 2 whole square plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0 plus 1, 1. So where this place in right f of x should be greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, f of x should be greater than or equal to 1. So f of x values f of x which satisfied 1 and more than 1 numbers. Therefore, f of x is belongs to closed interval 1 to infinity. Which option is correct? So third option, one option open interval. So second option correct. See question number 39. F of x is equal to cos inverse of root x minus 1. But cos inverse of theta, where theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1. If cos inverse of root theta is there, where root theta lies between 0 to 1. Where root theta lies between 0 to 1. In this root x minus 1 is there. So root x minus 1 lies between 0 to 1. Our target is domain of f of x. So domain means find out x values. So 0 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to 1, squaring on both sides. Now our target is the x belongs to values. So adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Therefore x belongs to closed interval 1, 2. Where x belongs to closed interval 1, 2. Option 1 correct. Number 40. If A having 2 elements, the total number of possible relations from A to B is 1024. Then find out n of B. We have the number of relations from A to B. From A to B, the number of relations formula 2 to the power n of A into n of B is equal to 1024. 1024 is nothing but 2 to the power 10. In this A having how many elements are given? 2 elements are given. Next, this would be 2 power n of A value 2 into n of B is equal to the power 10. In this bases are equal, so powers also equal. 2 into n of b is equal to 10. 2 1 j 2 5 j cancel. Therefore n of b is equal to 5. Option 4 correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.